is a 1989 Freightliner FLC 120. It was originally a glider kit. Original owner bought it, put it together, ran it for about a year and a half, got sick, and the truck got parked. Family member got it out mid-teens, 2015, 16, somewhere in there. Went over it, redid, put the Texas bumper on it. Originally it was built as a single axle to haul boats around Kentucky. Added the tandem axles onto it. Touched up the paint where it needed it, didn't need much. And then pretty much that's a time capsule. This one, after I come up to this show, it has 113,000 miles on it.
Was Greg the original owner?
It was his uncle. 400 big cam 3s, 1979 motor, 13 speed.
And this is what the museum generally uses to haul stuff,
Yeah, this
right?
is one of the 4 trucks we use. I've been lucky enough to be the main driver on this one, but this is a time capsule. It still has the plastic on the bunk floor, the bunk doors, everything inside's original. The carpet seats, everything. This is also my hotel when I'm on the road. So, so other than that, roughly 290-inch wheelbase on this. The rear ends, I believe, were out of a Freightliner Columbia. They had about 600,000 on it, I think. When he put them in there, I think he went through, did all bearings and it all made. So it's basically new rears underneath it.